You might be familiar with conditional formatting within Google Sheets, which lets you change the style of cells based on the values that are within them. So for example, if I wanted to make all negative numbers red, I could apply a conditional format to that range of cells and it would do that for me automatically. There's something very similar to this in Google APPSHEET, but it actually lets you apply styles based on conditions throughout the entire app. And that's called format rules, and it's what I'm going to show in today's quick tip. So these are pretty straightforward to set up, and Google has provided this sample app that gives an example of how to actually use them. So in this app, they have a number of tasks, and then each task has a different color and icon applied to it based on the actual status of that task. So to look at how they set this up, let's go to look under the hood. You find the formatting rules underneath views, and there's a submenu here called format rules. And they basically just got 3 rules applied here. So again, pretty straightforward. Each one of them, depending on the status, they apply a different rule. So for example, complete, it's when the status is complete, this rule that we're looking at here gets applied. Incomplete is just, again, checking the status condition for that and applying this rule down here. And similarly, issue does the same thing. So each one of them has a different icon and color applied to it. So the icon down here you can select just like in other areas of the app to apply again when that particular condition matches. And you can also change the color down here of both the text and the highlight. And finally, there's a section for text format down here where you can increase the size of the font, underline it, make it uppercase, change the style, all the different style attributes depending on that particular condition. So that's pretty much how it works. You can set up as many of these as you want to in order to control the style throughout the app wherever that value appears, again, based on the specific condition that you define up in the top. So that's today's tip on format rules, and as you can see, they're pretty easy to set up and give you a nice little extra level of polish to your app. If you want more tips on everything that you can do with AppSheet, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.